Guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you could create an installation media. If you have a USB drive or if you have an SD card and you would like to use it for installing Windows 11, then this video is for you. But the first step, make sure to plug your USB or SD card to a computer and make sure it has no data in it. It has to be free of data because we will use it for setting up Windows in it, Windows 11, which we will use later for performing the installation. For me here, I have this one. It's a USB. It can be an SD card in your case, and I have set it free. The next step, go back to your browser and type Windows 11 download. Hit enter. We are searching for the results starting with www.microsoft.com. So this is the official website. I want to use download Windows 11. I'm showing you this, but I will still try to include the link in the video description so that you don't have to do that. So next step, click on download Windows 11 and we'll be redirected to the official website of Windows, www.microsoft.com. We'll scroll down and here it says create Windows 11 installation media. We will click on download now. This will download for us a little tool, media creation tool called, which will allow us to do what we need to do. So for now, you can click Save. I have it already downloaded to my download file. And once done, it should be done within a few seconds. Go to your downloads file and click on the tool which you downloaded now. It will be called Media Creation Tool. Click on it to run. Windows will ask you if you really want to allow this application to make changes to your device. Go ahead and click Yes. Windows will start getting a few things ready, and then you will be able to see the license term agreement. I will invite you to read through before clicking accept. And you will need to wait again just a few seconds before the next message will appear. Here, Windows is giving us the automatic settings of the current laptop in use. You can always use the recommended options for this PC and select the language which you want, as you will be only able to change the language. The rest will be automatically set up for you. So I will leave it English and I will click Next. Here I will select the first option, use USB flash drive. It might be an SD card in your case. It doesn't matter. It works the same for both. We will click Next. And here I will locate my USB or my SD card plug. To know which one it is, just go back to your PC shortcut. And once you locate your USB or your SD card, check the letter next to it. Here, for example, it's H and here it's I. So I want the I one. So I will go back and select the letter I and I will click Next. The download will start and the setting up will start. I will just pause this video here as there is nothing to be done so far. And once the download is over and the setup is over, a message will appear and I will show you what to do next. So as you can see, guys, our process is over and our device is ready to be used. As a next step, we'll just click Finish. And it usually doesn't take more than a few seconds. It's over. Let's open our PC shortcut and let's go to our USB. Here we have it. It might be your SD card or it might be a USB flash drive. It doesn't matter. For any of them, it should be working. So here I have my Windows 11 ready to install. You can double click on that and Windows will ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. You can click Yes. And you can check just to check if the process will start. You can cancel at any time. Now that, as I can see, it's running fine. And my installation device or my bootable USB or my installation SD or USB flash drive is ready. Name it as you like. You can always check. And we can just click Next and go ahead. And I will just stop at this stage. So at this stage, my USB is ready to be used. And regardless if it's an USB or an SD card, now the Windows 11 has been set up in it. And if we proceed now, we'll proceed with installation of Windows 11, which I don't want to do. If you want to proceed, you can. I'll just click Decline at this level and click Close. Now the device is ready to be used at any time and you can use it for installing or formatting your computer. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.